Kimberley Mok. Kimberley Mok. Copyright Amy Gro. Our human tendency to cling to an unchanging version of the past is evident in our compulsion to snap photographs or keep mementos of a long past moment in time, regardless of the reality of time obliviously flowing on. Others, like Florida-based artist Amy Gro, explore the process by creating things, in Gro's case, creating hybrid bead and fiber sculptures that seem to tease out the blurry edge of when living things start to decay. Subject as they are to the ravages of time. Copyright Amy Gro. Copyright Amy Gro. Here's Gro talking about her creative process in an interview via Studio Verite. Studio Verite, Amy Gro from Jacques de Beaufort on Vimeo. As Gro. My hand-embroidered and beaded fiber sculptures are my attempt to merge together the natural world and my own inner life. Their symbiosis suggests not only what can be seen, but also what cannot, the early alterations of time, the first suggestions of disintegration. I've always been attracted and frightened by things that are on the edge of spoiling, or straining to support an excess of growth. Copyright Amy Gro. Copyright Amy Gro. Copyright Amy Gro. Copyright Amy Gro. Gro's works seem to bulge, merge, entangle in their conglomerated glory, neither quite this nor that, but seen as a unified, ever-transforming, symbiotic whole that seems to be frozen in time. The pieces seem like a combination of birds, insects, bacteria, plants and spores, all coming together in ways that wouldn't happen in nature, yet accurately reflects the processes that they undergo. Copyright Amy Gro. Using craft store yarns, beads, wire and paper and fabric transfers of photographic images, Gro fabricates these frozen fictions that assuage what she calls her need to control excess, to categorize and label and keep things safe. Copyright Amy Gro. Copyright Amy Gro. Copyright Amy Gro. Though they might not exist in nature, Gro's synergistic sculptures speak to our collective imaginations, prompting us to look closer and visualize the connective processes that do exist as a function of time, but hidden in our incomplete perspective of seeing things as separate, rather than an interdependent whole. To see more, visit Amy Gro's Instagram and Momentum Gallery. Artists' symbiotic fiber sculptures depict life and decay made with beads, yarns and other fibers. These hybrid sculptures seem to transform before your eyes.